Before we begin this video, in 5 seconds, can you quickly tell me how much is 56 times 11? It is 616. I know a lot of you didn't get it in time, but I am making a 30-day series of mental math videos, and after completion, and with a bit of practice, you will be able to do calculations like these at lightning fast speed. But here's the real question. Why does this even work? Let's try 34 times 11. This time, we're not using the method you learned in school. We're using something much faster. Look at the number 34. First, write the 3. Then, leave a small space. Now write the 4. Now here's the only step. Add the two numbers. 3 plus 4 is 7. Put the 7 in the middle. 3, 7, 4. That's it. The answer is 374. No long multiplication, just simple addition. Watch this. 63 times 11. First, write the 6. Leave a small space. Now write the 3. Add the two numbers. 6 plus 3 is 9. And this time, it fits perfectly in the middle. Put the 9 there. 6, 9, 3. 693. See how smooth that was? No stress. And here's something even more interesting. What happens when the middle number becomes bigger than 9? That's where this trick gets even more powerful. Now let's try something a little more interesting. 47 times 11. This one is a bit different. Write the 4. Leave a small space. Now write the 7. Now add them. 4 plus 7 is 11. And this is where people get confused. Because 11 doesn't fit in one space. So what do? We split it. Put the 1 in the middle. Now carry the other one to the front. Add 1 to the 4, which gives us 5. Our answer is 517. Now you might be wondering, does this only work for 2-digit numbers? Or can it handle something bigger? But before we continue, take a second to subscribe, like, and share this video. Alright, let's try 123 times 11. Now it's getting interesting. We're still just adding. First, write the 1. Then leave 2 spaces. Write the 3 at the end. Now here's the twist. Add the first 2 digits. 1 plus 2 is 3. Write that next. Now add the last 2 digits. 2 plus 3 is 5. Write that in the next space. Now read it slowly. 1, 3, 5, 3. 1,353. And yes, it works for 3 digits too. Alright, before you go, try this one in your head. 387 times 11. Take a few seconds. Don't rush it. If you get it, you're officially thinking differently. And this is just day 1. Over the next 30 days, you're going to discover patterns in numbers most people never see. Faster thinking. Stronger mental math. This is only the beginning. I'll see you in day 2.